These are super cute. They're bigger than I thought they'd be. JK snowman. Oh, Hobie. Hobie, Hobie. Oh, the print photos. This on the back, Fujifilm. They're such high quality. Oh my gosh. Oh! Why is V covering his face? Gorgeous. It's like a matchbox. And they're photos the members took. It says photo by BTS. Ooh. I believe. Photo by BTS, yeah. Cute. This is fun. You can store photo cards in here. Oh, and there's this transparent card with messages. Aww. Beautiful. The two different photo shoots. 도깨비. What is 도깨비? Goblin? Goblin version, and this one with the sheep farm. So pretty. I know there's supposed to be a random photo card and a photo sticker. I wonder if it's in here. I hope it's in here. Here's the photo sticker. Yes, it has like sparklies, and I believe it's a sticker, but I definitely won't be using it as a sticker. It's so pretty. Let's see, is there... Oh, here it is. We've got... Da, 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 da. I feel like it's Sugar. I think I saw the hat. Oh, it's Sugar! I saw a little bit of the hat. Hello, Sugar. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I pull Sugar the most. He comes home the most often. Beautiful. And since this unboxing, if I do put it up, it's gonna be late. I won't flip through the whole photo book, but look how gorgeous these photos are. I'll just... Ah! I want to know what this snowball is made out of. I think, is it like styrofoam with snow padded on top? Oh my goodness, this photo book is spectacular. These photos are so HD. Yay! And then we have like the Christmas cabin photo shoot with tangerines. Oh my goodness. Okay, this deserves a closer look later, but I won't flip through everything. So gorgeous. Ah. Oh my gosh. Oh, yummy. Oh. Wow. Taeho got sparklies on his eyes. Oh, they all do. Oh my gosh, they all do. Oh my gosh. Living angel. Wait, I need to see all their sparklies. They didn't give Jin sparklies. RM has sparklies. Hobi has sparklies. Jungkook doesn't have sparklies either. Neither does Suga. Neither does V. Okay. Conclusion, only Hobi and Namjoon and Jimin이 has sparklies. Like pearl. Oh my gosh. Okay. Gonna take my time with this photo book later, but beautiful package. Really excited to now have a case for my iPad, and excited that I have a soap pool. So cute. Love it. Thank you for watching.